Show y'all how to dismantle a scorpion. So this is the scorpion, okay? I'm gonna show you how to dismantle it. First, you gotta cock it back, right? Right here, there's a pin. This pin on your right side, you gonna push this pin in. This gonna pop up. You pull it, boom, right? Then you lift this up. Now, when you first lift this up, your hammer is going to be up or it's going to be down, okay? Your inside, the fire pin, push this back and lift up. This is how you clean your fire pin. Oil it up after you shoot it,